तो रेडियो वाले 106.3 एफएम से मैं हूँ कबीर, आपका सुबह मैन। और रेडियो वाले पर आप मुझे सुनते हैं, देखते नहीं है, बट दिखने के लिए, क्योंकि रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में आप दिखते हैं। सो स्माइल इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड स्माइल जो है उसका ताल्लुक दांतों से बहुत ज्यादा है। सो आज जो है वी हैव वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट टू टॉक अबाउट इट, डॉक्टर आशा मैम। आई सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू द स्टूडियो, एंड आई वुड प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट यू टू गिव अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट योरसेल्फ टू बिगिन विद.
Okay, my name is Dr. Asha Jeevan. I am working in Al Rabi Dental Center, Al Muntasa branch, and I am a general dentist.
So talking about dental health,
Yeah.
To begin with, how do you define a proper hygiene, like a daily basis hygiene? What are the points, the tips?
Okay. For the basic oral hygiene, the general tips that I would like to give is the brushing. That is basic brushing, morning and night. Brushing twice daily, not more than two minutes. That is more than enough. The main thing is that the brush head should reach all the surface of the tooth. Which is very important.
Okay.
To avoid any kind of cavities, the food that is stuck between the teeth or behind the teeth. To wash away the food which is stuck. That is the main thing. Then the use of floss.
Okay.
Nowadays, many people are aware of it, which is available in all the markets.
Okay.
It is a long thread which we hold it very tightly and we use it between the teeth. Pull out the food which is between the teeth. That is the use of floss.
Okay.
Brushing twice daily, flossing, have a good balanced diet, drinking lots of water. That is much more to a good smile.
Okay. So what are the general problems that you see in people these days coming to you and asking you for help?
The main issue which is a dental issue which is faced is the tooth pain. Of course, that is a toothache. Toothache, which is because of ignorance. If a cavity is seen, the people keep ignoring it because the pain is not seen. We don't feel the pain, so we just leave it like that, and then end up with pain, then end up with the root canal. That is what is happening in daily life now, most of the patients. So the advice which we are giving to the patients, if you see any cavity, if you feel any cavity, get it filled. So that is what is the importance of dental checkup every 6 months.
Okay.
So we can find out if there's any cavities. We can advise the patients to do a filling or any other treatments which is required. We can advise them.
Okay. So in general, we see people suffering from sensitivity, because that is like a common thing these days.
Yeah.
So what is the procedure to get rid of it, or probably curb it down?
Yeah, the dental sensitivity is very common nowadays because of the climate change. Many people are coming here with pain. They're not sure if it is a tooth pain or ear pain or eye pain. They don't know what is the problem. That is mainly the climate issue. When they drink some cold water, they feel the pain. That is a sensitivity. That is not a tooth pain. Maybe it's a tooth pain. So we need to do a dental checkup. It can be tooth pain or it's just the sensitivity. If it's a tooth pain, we can find out, there's a cavity here, so you have to get it filled. So the problem is solved. If it's a general sensitivity, we can advise, no, this is nothing like it. This is just a sensitivity. So you just have to gargle your mouth with some salt water or proper brushing. That's enough. And try to avoid cold food, sweet food now, because the climate is very getting cold.
Absolutely.
So try to avoid cold sweets like that. We can just advise the patients.
So there's a thing we have been listening since our childhood. So let's say if you have a cup of tea and you're planning to drink cold drink, probably, or vice versa.
Yeah.
How does it affect? Is it too hazardous to follow? Should be a gap in between the meals, or how does it go by?
No, always having 3 to 4 times a meal. After each meal, proper gargling. That can avoid most of the issues. And also gargling after having a cup of tea or a coffee.
So what happens if someone takes a cup of tea and then goes for a cold drink?
No. The thing is that the sweet content of the tea and the coffee that stays in the mouth. That stays in the mouth, that sticks onto the tooth, and it starts a cavity that starts forming there. Cavity starts forming there. So the advice what we give is wash the mouth properly after having each meal. Wash the mouth properly after drinking a cup of tea, coffee, which can it's very easy. At least if we are in the office, we are not able to wash the mouth, we can't go outside, wash the mouth. At least drink some water so that it will get washed away. That is advice what we can give the patients to the people.
So dental checkup, I don't know if it's a myth or not, but we believe it's costly. So if you go for a consultation, probably go for a checkup or to get something, fill up your tooth or anything, it is costly. So what do you have to say about that?
This is a very common talk among the public.
Yes.
This is very common talk.
Yeah.
Maybe they are not aware of it. Maybe they don't want to visit a dentist because they don't have money to spend. But this is because they are not aware of the treatments nowadays. The treatment which is available, we have many offers, many discounts, because we want the public to be aware of the basic oral hygiene.
Yeah.
We are providing lot of discounts and offers. There's nothing, it's not too costly if we say, like, why do you want to wait for the pain to arrive?
Yeah.
If you find a cavity, go get it filled, which is very cheap, rather than waiting for long time, getting forming a root canal. Then at last we need a root canal to clear the pain. So why do we want to wait it? So that is what we need to convey the patients. If you feel any cavity, if you come for a checkup, if we tell you there's a cavity, go get it filled. Please do it as soon as possible. Don't wait it, so that more money will be spent. So what we say is negligence is causing expense.
Yeah, that's how you put it.
Yeah,
right?
that is the main thing.
With age, does few things come, problems, people do have problems with their age, or is there a way to curb it?
Yeah, with age.
Yeah.
So with age, we face the problem of sensitivity.
Yes.
We face the problem of tooth erosion, tooth recession. That is, the tooth gets worn off, wearing off the tooth. That is faced among the people, the old people. So what we say, like, try to avoid very hard brushing, very soft bristles. Try to avoid if there's any cavities and anything what we find. So every 6 months a dental checkup that can clear every problems.
Okay.
Even for the old aged people.
So in how many days would you suggest to change the toothbrush?
Usually we say every 3 months.
Every
3
3
to
months.
4 months the toothbrush has to be changed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are there any more tips that you would like to give to the youngsters, because they go out and have junk food and everything, almost everything? So what do you suggest them? Apart from brushing their teeth, of course.
Yeah. What I want to tell the youngsters is try to avoid starchy food, sticky food. Try to take balanced diet, proper diet. For the kids, having chocolates is good. Healthy chocolates, that's good. But try to avoid sticky, jelly chocolates. Try to maintain a good oral hygiene by washing mouth, by brushing twice daily, washing the mouth after every meal, flossing daily, drinking lots of water, which is very good for your general health as well as the gums, oral health, everything. So this is what I wanted to give the youngsters, the kids, aged people, everyone. The same thing.
So we have seen people, they have problem with their gums.
Yeah.
They have paining gums and stuff like that. So is it like a problem needs to be rectified, or they can?
Yes, of course. The gums problem, that is the recession, the tooth recession, the gums will come down.
Okay.
The tooth will be exposed. The lower part of the tooth will be exposed. That can cause lot of sensitivity.
Yes.
So that is maybe because of the drinking aerated drinks, then hard brushing. Hard brushing is the main reason for hard brushing is the main reason
so
for
they brush rigorously because
vigorous brushing. That is that can cause gum problems.
Okay.
If we find any kind of gum inflammation, gum enlargement of the gums, visit a dentist, get it cleared, get a full mouth checkup, do a full mouth cleaning. That can clear most of the problems.
Okay. So and lastly, message to all the listeners who are tuned into you right now, and I'm sure we will teach Asha ma'am few Hindi words as well by the time this interview is over. So a message to all the listeners.
Yeah, the basic message what I wanted to give is try to maintain a good oral hygiene by visiting a dentist every 6 months. Have a proper brushing twice daily. The basic dental tips which I have told before. Then have a proper balanced diet, good diet, drink lots of water, and wishing everyone.
In order to keep your smile intact.
Yeah, that is what. Sure. A good oral health is much more to a good smile.
Yeah, definitely. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, RJ Kapir, for giving me a chance to talk. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the interview. And that's all you know what to do right now. Please make sure that you keep your oral health clean and healthy. Stay healthy and stay, I would say in Hindi, Jio Bindas.